The COVID-19 pandemic in India grew by the highest number yet on Friday, when as many as 6,654 cases were detected across the country. The total number of coronavirus patients in India increased to 1,25,101, while the death toll has climbed to 3,720. Rajasthan has reported 48 fresh positive cases of COVID-19 and 2 deaths till 9 am. Total number of positive cases has risen in the state to 6,542 and 155 deaths were recorded, while active cases hiked to 2,695. Meanwhile, in Maharashtra, more than 1,600 policemen have tested positive and 16 cops have died so far of COVID-19. Army Chief General MM Naravane on Friday visited the headquarters of the 14 corps in Ladakh for a review of the operational situation along the disputed line of actual control amid rising tensions between India and China. The Army Chief's visit came after India said that China was hindering India's normal patrolling patterns along the unresolved borders, which has witnessed rival troops built up after violent clashes. He returned to Delhi later in the day. Both India and China have pumped in additional troops, built fortifications, and pitched tents at a few stretches along the line of actual control in 3 areas in eastern Ladakh, which includes the northern bank of Pangong Tso, Demchok and Galwan Valley areas after the violent clashes between the rival soldiers on May 5th and 6th. The Tamil Nadu government has announced another set of relaxation of lockdown norms that includes reopening of salons and beauty parlours in the state, barring capital city of Chennai on Saturday. Earlier on Monday, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu had declared the decks for salons to reopen in the rural parts of the state on May 19 onwards. Earlier on Monday, the Idapati Palaniswamy government had cleared the decks for salons to reopen in the rural parts of the state from May 19 onwards. Tamil Nadu currently has the second highest number of coronavirus cases in the country, and it will remain in lockdown till May 31st. Under the 4th phase of the lockdown, the Tamil Nadu government said there would not be any further relaxation in 12 districts including Chennai, Kanchipuram and Chengalpattu, where cases have been surging over the last few days. The Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation has directed private labs in Mumbai to give COVID-19 test results within 24 hours of collecting samples. Citing delay in giving test results, the BMC has asked all the private labs to upload accurate results on ICMR website within 24 hours of collecting samples. The BMC Commissioner has also mandated the private labs to complete testing of foreign returned and home quarantined suspect within 14 days of the isolation period. Maharashtra had on Friday recorded 2,940 new coronavirus patients, the highest one-day spike so far, taking the overall tally in the state to 44,582. Mumbai accounted for 1,751 of these new cases. The coronavirus primarily spreads from person to person and not easily from a contaminated surface. Now that is the takeaway from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, which this month updated its How COVID-19 Spreads website. The revised guidelines now states that the virus spreads easily between people. It also notes that the coronavirus, which causes the disease COVID-19, is spreading very easily and sustainably between people. The CDC made another key change to its website, clarifying that SORS are not major risk. Under the new heading, the virus does not spread easily in other ways. The agency explains that touching contaminated objects or surfaces does not appear to be a significant mode of transmission. The same is true for exposure to infected animals.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.